Hello everyone. We are going to show you how to use our Lanka Aviator website. From Lanka Aviator website you can access aviation chat, Sri Lankan Airlines fleet information, airlines that flying to Colombo Bandar Nayaka International Airport and flight information. You can register on our website so you can access to comment on our aviation chat. Our aviation chat where professionals and amateurs come together to discuss the latest happenings in the industry. Our Civil Aviation Forum is the only aviation forum in Sri Lanka and is a valuable resource for everyone with an interest in aviation. To sign up for Lanka Aviator, click on Sign Up and follow the steps to create an account with your email and a password. Lanka Aviator administration team will send an email to new user who have been accepted. To sign in to Lanka Aviator, click Login and enter your username and password. You can access your latest activity in aviation chat by click on subject of the chat. You can read and comment on the chat by submitting your comment by clicking on Post Reply. For replying to an existing post, you can often use a quote button found at the bottom of the post. To use forum threads, you can reply to an existing one to join the conversation. When replying, click the reply button on the specific post you're responding to. You can access Sri Lankan Airlines fleet information by click on Sri Lankan Airlines fleet button. You can access airlines flying to Colombo Bandar Nayaka International Airport. You can access the flight information. Use the contact form to send your questions or comments about the website. Thank you for watching Lanka Aviator tutorial. See you soon on Lanka Aviator. Visit www.lankaaviator.com.